Welcome back to Graphic Design 1. We're going to do the Melonhead project. I'm going to start by going into the internet. I use Firefox. And I'll go into the classroom. And I'll choose block 1, go into the class work. And here's the project that we're working on. The instructions are here. And if once you watch the video, you can probably grab the instructions. You'll just click them here. And after you watch the video, you can follow the instructions. It's chapter 2, so you need to go all the way down to page 42, I think. 37. There you go. So it's working with selections, chapter 2. These are the things that it covers right here, from selecting parts, selecting, deselecting, how to constrain a selection, and rotating and things like that for transformation. As I said, it gives you step-by-step instructions. Go down to something right here. This is where I'm actually starting here, selecting the elliptical marquee tool, but we'll talk about that in a minute. We're working out of Photopea here, and so this is the file. You need to save the file so you can open it up in Photopea. So I click here, and to download the file, you need to click the 3 dots up here and open it in a new window. Now you can see the download button here. You should anyway see something that says download. Click and then save the file somewhere. This is a PDF file, which means portable document format. Click OK. And now find some place to save it. I'm going to save it in this graphic design block 1 folder that I made earlier. Make sure you know where it is so you can open it in a minute. Hit save. Now you can close this and you can go back to the classroom. Now you could just click right here on Photopea here and it'll actually bring you right here. I already made an account, but you can click this and you can make an account and you'll see that it's free. You're going to go for the free account and it's actually got everything that the premium account has except less history steps, which is not that big of a deal. You don't even have to make an account, but I think it might help you be able to save your files and everything. So to start the program, or to start the project, first let me show you here. You've got your drop-down menus from everything from File and Open to Editing and Copying. And over here, these are our panels, and they can be expanded or collapsed. And these are the tools. And these are all the tools that we'll be using today. Well, not all the tools. We're going to be using mostly the selection tools up here. See this little line right here? Everything above that is considered a selection tool. We also will need the zoom tool, this magnifying glass here, just for zooming in and zooming out. So let's open up the file. You're going to go here to File, and you're going to go down to Open. And now you have to navigate, like go down to wherever you saved your file and find the folder you saved it in. Here's mine. And then I can go ahead, click the file here, and click Open. There it is. Now, there's a couple things you need to do before you can actually start working on the project. First off, you'll have to open up the panels here, and you want to get the Layers panel. And we're in page 1, so our only page. You can see if it turned off this eyeball, it turns the page off, or if you turn this off, it turns off the image. The image is not the right type of file. So we have to right click or control click over the word bitmap, and you need to rasterize the layer. You see the word rasterize right here. You won't see anything change. It's just going to allow us to work on it. You can now close that up by just clicking the little caret. And I'm going to stop there. That's basically how to get ready. But before we close it, let's make sure you save it so that you'll be able to open your file later on. You're going to go to File, and Save. Oops, I'm in the wrong file here. I'm sorry, that was wrong. Don't get confused with that. Files over here, and Save as PSD. There we go. It's going to save it as a Photoshop document, but you'll still be able to open it right from Photopea later on. So hit Save, click OK, and again, now you're going to put it in that same folder. This time, it's going to be a Photoshop folder. So let's just like this, and change it. Put your name after the word Melonhead like that, and hit Save.